In 2025, keeping your BT YouView box updated is more important than ever. Updates ensure you receive the latest features, security enhancements, and performance improvements for the best viewing experience. Your BT YouView box receives regular updates that bring new features, enhance security, improve performance, and fix any issues to keep your viewing experience smooth and secure. There are three main types of updates for your BT YouView box. Software updates improve the user interface and add new app features. Firmware updates address core system functionality, hardware drivers, and critical security patches. EPG updates refresh your electronic program guide data multiple times daily to keep program information current. The latest YouView software is the 4.8.x series, released in August 2025. This version features a streamlined user interface with improved accessibility, boot times that are 30% faster than previous versions, and enhanced cloud integration for better synchronization of your recordings and preferences. A key highlight of the 4.8.x series is enhanced integration with BT Sport and Discovery Plus content, providing seamless access to your favorite sports and entertainment programming directly through the YouView interface. Updates now occur automatically during low usage hours between 2 and 4 a.m. to minimize disruption to your viewing. The system downloads and installs updates while your box is in standby mode. A new rollback feature allows you to revert to the previous firmware version within 48 hours if you experience any issues with a new update. These regular updates are crucial for maintaining a stable and secure viewing experience. They ensure your BT YouView box stays protected against security threats while delivering the best possible performance and latest entertainment features. There are two main methods for updating your BT YouView box: automatic updates and manual updates. Let's explore both approaches to keep your device running smoothly. Automatic updates are the default and recommended method. They happen automatically overnight between 2 and 4 a.m. Manual updates can be initiated by the user through the Settings menu. For automatic updates, ensure your YouView box is connected to both the internet and power. Leave the box in standby mode overnight, and updates will download and install automatically between 2 and 4 a.m., followed by an automatic restart. For manual updates, press the Home button on your remote, then navigate to Settings, System, and Software Update. Select Check for Updates to begin the process. Once you find an available update, select Download and Install. It's crucial that you do not power off the box during installation, which can take between 15 to 45 minutes. The box will restart automatically when complete. For successful updates, you need a minimum internet speed of 2 megabits per second and at least 500 megabytes of free storage space. Ensure you have a stable network connection and uninterrupted power supply during the update process. If you encounter issues such as a stuck update, wait 60 minutes before power cycling the box. For network errors, check your internet connection. If storage is full, delete old recordings to free up space. If power is interrupted, the box will resume the update on the next startup. Remember that automatic updates are recommended for convenience and happen overnight, but manual updates give you control over the timing. Both methods ensure your YouView box stays current with the latest features and security updates.